Hohem iSteady M6 Kit Gimbal for smartphone, the ultimate 3-axis stabilizer with AI tracking and fill light. The Hohem iSteady M6 Kit Gimbal for smartphone is a cutting-edge 3-axis stabilizer designed to elevate your mobile videography and photography experience. Whether you're a content creator, blogger, or casual user, this gimbal offers unparalleled stability, advanced AI tracking, and a built-in magnetic fill light to ensure professional quality results. Compatible with the latest iPhone 16 Pro Max and a wide range of Android smartphones, the iSteady M6 is your go-to tool for capturing smooth, cinematic footage and stunning photos. Key features: 3-axis stabilization. Achieve buttery-smooth footage with 360 degrees infinite rotation on the pan axis, 335 degrees tilt, and 335 degrees roll. Perfect for dynamic shots, fast movements, and creative angles. AI tracking. The built-in AI vision sensor, model MTK L02, offers intelligent subject tracking up to 3.5 meters, ensuring you stay in focus even during fast-paced action or complex movements. Magnetic fill light. The included magnetic fill light provides adjustable CCT, correlated color temperature, ranging from 2700K to 6500K, and 360 RGB color options, allowing you to set the perfect lighting for any scene. Long battery life. With a 2600 mAh battery, the iSteady M6 delivers up to 18 hours of operation under ideal conditions. Even with AI tracking and the fill light at maximum brightness, you can expect 6 to 8 hours of continuous use. High-performance build. Crafted from durable high-performance composites, the gimbal is lightweight, 551 grams, yet robust, supporting smartphones up to 400 grams in weight and accommodating devices with widths between 58mm and 98mm. Specifications: Model, iSteady M6. Weight, 551 grams, including battery. Max payload, 400 grams. Mobile width compatibility, 58mm to 98mm. Battery capacity, 2600 mAh, 7.4V, 19.24 Wh. Charging time, 3 hours, 5V2A. Working temperature, -10 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. Motor protection, automatically powers off to prevent motor damage from improper operation. Magnetic AI vision sensor details. Weight, 23.8 grams. AI recognition distance, up to 3.5 m. CCT range, 2700K to 6500K, 8 adjustable levels. RGB colors, 360 customizable options. Power, 1 W. Max working current, 1.0 A. Working voltage, 5.0 V. What's included? Handheld gimbal. Tripod. Charging cable. Carrying case. Multilingual user manual. Magnetic fill light, exclusive to the iSteady M6 kit. Why choose the Hohem iSteady M6? The Hohem iSteady M6 kit is more than just a smartphone gimbal, it's a complete creative toolkit. Its advanced AI tracking ensures you never miss a moment, while the magnetic fill light adds versatility to your lighting setup. The lightweight design, long battery life, and durable construction make it ideal for on-the-go creators. Whether you're shooting indoors, outdoors, or in low-light conditions, the iSteady M6 delivers exceptional performance and reliability. Upgrade your smartphone filmmaking game with the Hohem iSteady M6 Kit Gimbal, where innovation meets precision.